Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I have Windows Server 2016 data center and that I'm upgrading to Windows Server 2022. So I'm gonna show you some steps I may not be able to show you because of restart and other things. But overall, my intention would be to show you how I'm gonna do it. So I downloaded the media and I went and right click and run it. So I got this install Windows Server. So I'm gonna check this and I'm gonna click on next. So it is checking for updates. Okay, so now it's coming to me that what are the things you want to. So this is what I want to install. Select image. So I'm gonna do it and click on next. Accept terms and conditions. I click on accept. I'm not getting an issue, but anyway, there's nothing. I have it here, so I click on nothing and I click on next. I select yes. So it is checking. So I'll come back to you once it is through. So installation is going on, and as I said, I cannot do screen recording during this, but I'll try to update whatever I can. So guys, as I had said earlier, my PC just restarted. Installation is still in progress. You can see it's going on, and I don't know how long it's gonna take. And the message, your PC will restart several times. So this will continue. So I'll keep you guys updated as it goes through. Thanks for watching. I'll keep you updated. So after that, it gave me the option like country and other region and then password. So I have done I'm setting up an account. So I'm gonna fix this. So it has accepted and now doing something. I'll update you guys. So guys, finally it's done, and I hope you got the idea how to do this. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. This was pretty simple, isn't it? Now I'm gonna play around with this. Thank you.